Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to disable Google Discover or Samsung Free on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So here I have a Galaxy S25 Ultra, and if I swipe to the left, as you can see, Google Discover appears. Also you can have a Samsung Free, and if you don't want to see it anymore, it is very easy for that. Just push it long on the screen and now swipe to the left, and as you can see here I have the media page, and from here you can select Google Discover or Samsung Free. And if you want to disable this media page, just tap here, and now tap here to exit, and that's all. Now when you swipe to the left, as you can see, we don't have that page. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.